You're in camera.
Hi, I'm Shruti. That's my weird laugh. I'm 30 years old and I can't believe I said that loud. I'm a strategy and innovation consultant with Deloitte and I'm loving being here.
Hi, I'm Sai. I'm 30 years old and I'm an author. I'm from Hyderabad as well. We are married.
Check.
Hi, I'm Sunena. I'm from Bangalore. I make videos for a living and I'm having a blast being here and I don't want to go back to my city.
Awesome.
Have a quirky piercing.
Hi, I'm Sanjana. I'm like super awkward for the camera. Presently eating in Shinopding in Dauki in Meghalaya, having a blast.
Hi, this is Monica. I'm an investment banker and I'm here on a solo trip. This is my first day and it's turned out to be pretty great. I'm looking forward for the rest. Yeah.
Still me, Deep's best friend, enjoying and pushing my limits.
And this is me, Deep. I really planned for this trip for a very long time, and all the ingredients that are required for a great trip are present here. And probably this is the finale where I'm really celebrating this moment with the people who love music. A lot of them out here, and yeah, one of the greatest trip ever.